The S-Mobe and Slim Chance are similar, but the Front Mobe is the most common. The key to this maneuver is the movement in your knees that produce the counter rotation. Start by following your unhooked procedure. Fly the kite to either 11 or 1 o'clock, depending on the direction you're going. Initiate an aggressive pop. Keep your arms and legs bent and try to get inverted through the front roll. At about 270 degrees rotation, pull the bar aggressively towards your back hip. Look over your front shoulder and kick out and straighten your front leg. This slows the rotation and gives you a starting point for the handle pass. Immediately after, bend the same leg and kick out and straighten your back leg. This will help balance you and complete the rotation necessary to land the trick. Remember to look over your shoulder and reach for the bar. Let your momentum carry you around into a landing position. Let's check out the kite movement in detail. The kite angle may decrease as your level improves. It's better to send your kite downwards rather than up during the trick. Let's remember the key elements. Keep your arms and legs slightly bent. Pull the bar aggressively towards your back hip. Look over your front shoulder and kick out your front leg. Kick out and straighten your back leg. Enjoy your ride with Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.